Everybody, today I will be continuing my project for my leatherback turtle. You'll only need now your markers, blue and a black. That's all the colors that you will need for this project. Your light blue, and start making lines. So just continue making lines until you think you have enough. You don't have to do exactly like mine. It's a little different than my previous leatherback design, but it still works. The rest of everything else is black. Don't color the head. Make sure that you don't leave a lot of spaces for. Since also this turtle is 3D, yeah, I'm coloring the bottom. I think my marker can hold all of. If you're interested in making something cool, well, it's not cool, but I am passionate about it. Also, I'm pretty sure the comments are on my previous video, so yeah, make sure you check that. You can always come back for blank spaces after. So if you did use tape, I mean, you could have used glue for the bottom, but like if you use tape, you're not going to be able to really color that part, sadly, guys. But yeah. Have a little more, but anyways, you're not gonna do this entire procedure for the bottom. Oh, to be honest, the belly is actually just gonna be black. It's not. Once I finish cutting this, everybody, just you're gonna get a snack break, because probably maybe you're hungry or something after all this work, but yeah, you can always skip this part, but maybe like a minute. I'll give you guys like a minute. Maybe, yeah, no. Okay, everybody take a snack break, relax.
5 minutes later.
Don't ask why I'm using a new marker. The reason is, so my other one ran out. Anyways, like I told you, do not do the head. The head is coming for after. And make sure there's no black, there's no really white around any of. So I'm almost done this part. Right there. So now we're just gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait a little bit, maybe, possibly, because your turtle is drying out. Okay, so if you copied tape, and yeah, you could have done the one with glue, or you could have just glued this side. But now look, you can cut this off if any of you have this, and if you have clear tape, you don't have to. It's not necessary, but you can hopefully get some tape. You can just cut that piece off. I wasn't exactly planning on doing this, so this was just off-road a bit. It was not on the plan, but okay, there. So most likely, most of you have yours dried now. So flip it to this side. Continue with your coloring. Remember, do not color the head on the top side just yet. But now you can color the bottom side of the head. You don't need to. The mouth just makes it look better. Anyways, yeah, just keep coloring everything. So you have another, but you have guys on one option that you can do if you really want for this to look more realistic. Here, you don't have to follow me now, but for a second, here, look, you can draw out a piece of this and add some of this. You can do whatever. Yeah, basically you can do this and then add some like tannish color to the bottom if you wanted. But since it's not the real color, the real leatherback color is black, I'm not gonna do it. But you guys can have that option. It's up to you. The third part will just be some short. It'll be maybe like 2 minutes max. So, for this part, you will probably want to do this. Different shade of blue. You can do the nostrils with a thin, if you have a thin tip piece of black. As for the pupils, you're almost done. I'm gonna just cover mine up. If you did draw this out in pencil also, you'll still be able to see the nose. So you should actually be, or even after you paint it. Yeah, it's time's up. So guys, thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.